Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Which number is on the face opposite to 4? Now we are given a cubical die. So we know that it has 6 faces. Total of 6 faces. Now this is 4 and adjacent to it are 4 other faces. 4 other faces. If we are able to deduce which numbers are on these 4 faces, we can say which is a number on its opposite face. So let's try to do that. From the first diagram, we can see that number adjacent to 4 over here is 2 and 1. And when this die is rotated this way, we get, let's see, we are given the next image for that. So this is 4, this is 1, this is 6. So the face that has gone behind over here, this face, it has 2 on it. This face has 2 on it. So this is 2. Let's see. When we rotate this particular face up so that this is over here, we get the next image that is given. So we get, let's see, 4 has come over here, 6 is here and 5 is here. So the number that is opposite to 4 is now over here. Okay. 1 is on the bottom face and 2 is over here. So the only remaining number is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. The only remaining number is 3. So on the face opposite to 4, we have number 3. Let me draw this one more time properly. Let's see, we have these 6 faces of a cube. 6 faces of this cube. 4 is up here. Okay. It is given from first diagram. We know that 1 is over here. Let me draw it. 1 is over here. 2 is over here. Okay. And when we look at the given diagram, 6 is behind 2. 6 is exactly behind 2 because when we see the next diagram, second diagram, the die is rotated this way. So the back face of the die is revealed, which is 6. So 6 is over here at the back wall. Over here. And in next step, we see the face 5, which is over here. 5 is over here. So the only number that is remaining is 3. 4 is written over here like this. 4 is on face up, right? So the only number that is remaining is 3 and that is exactly opposite to 4. So let's see, answer is option A, 3.